Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will see how to set up a text box and images. With Biwee, you can add dynamic content, such as images and text items that will change according to the user's selection. The text box items allow you to present the data using a very specific and detailed page setup. In this example, the dashboard displays the profile of the selected athlete. It displays Andre de Grasse medals at the Rio Olympic Games in 2016. When we select Michael Fred, the image and text is refreshed. We can see that he won 5 gold medals and 1 silver. For the tutorial, I will show you something simpler with less layout configuration. First, we will start with the text box. This component allows you to display rich text within a dashboard and also can be bound to data. You can use this bounding with the master filtering. To do this, click on the text box icon and add some values in the Data Items section. Here I drag and drop the number of medals, the age, the team, and the sex in the value placeholder. I change the aggregation of the age, team, and sex to min. Now I double-click on the text area or right-click and edit. We can type static text. In this example, I write total medals in bold, then right-click and insert field. I click on select value and I choose the number of medals. I do this for each dynamic value I want to display in my text box. To exit the edit mode, use the escape key on your keyboard or right-click and edit. You now have your text with the corresponding value. At this point, the information displayed is the total medals, the age, the team, and the gender. Let's make this text box interactive. Add the combo box from the Filter Elements tab, then drag the athlete's name into the dimension. Right-click on the component and configure the interactions and layout. Go to the Layout tab and enable Search. Now you can search for an athlete or click on the menu button to select one. For example, I search for Phelps and select Michael Phelps. Now you can see the number of medals, age, team, and gender according to the selected athlete. Now let's see the images. We have 2 possibilities. The first option is to display static images from your computer. To do this, add the component by clicking on this icon. Right-click and then Import Image or Load Image. The second possibility is to add a bound image by clicking on this icon. You have to add a field in the attribute placeholder. This field can be the entire URL of the image or a byte array. In my example, it's a calculated field that contains the picture URL for each athlete. I drag this field in the attribute placeholder, then I click on the Option button and choose URI. In the URI pattern, you have to provide the path to the required images. Click on Insert Placeholder. It will insert the data source field values to the position of the 0 symbol. We can configure our images by clicking on the cogwheel, then go to the Layout tab. Here I can rename the title of the component, choose the size mode between clip, stretch, squeeze, or zoom. Finally, I can choose the alignment. This image can be interactive with other components. For example, it changes according to the selected athlete. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about all the available functionalities, refer to the online documentation.